We're gonna head down to the riding ring. Callan is going to ride Lovely. Now Lovely is a 5-year-old thoroughbred who was trained for the racetrack in Arlington, and he raced a couple races, did not really care for it much, and he's not been ridden or had any rider on him in about, it's been almost a year. And actually the last time he had a rider on him was this. I'll show you a picture. So yeah, we're hoping that kind of a look doesn't happen today when she decides to get on him. So she's gonna go down, we're gonna go on down to the riding ring, and we're gonna lunge him first to get his wiggles out and to, you know, wear him out a little bit first because he's young and energetic and less likely to throw her if he has some of his energy out. And you know, Felix is gonna be down there and he's gonna be doing all this stuff with us. And yeah, so she's gonna get on Lovely and just ride him around a little bit. We don't trust him yet to know what he'll do, just even her putting her weight on him. You know, it's been a long time since that's happened. So she's just gonna sit on him and we're gonna walk her around a little bit and just get him used to it. And then hopefully she can start riding him and seeing if he will then, you know, do jumpings and, you know, hunter jumper stuff. So that'd be the goal. Anyway, she's real excited. She's wanted to ride him forever. And so now's the time, we're ready, and so that's what we're gonna go do. Oh, look who it is. It's Georgia. Hi, Georgia. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. And now there's Willard. Hi, sweetie. You've got a tennis ball. You have a tennis ball. Oh, Georgia. Shushers. Shushers. Oh, and there's Bella. Got the whole crew. Hi, Bella. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Georgia, good heavens. Good heavens, I'm gonna pet you. I'm gonna pet you. Yes, I am. Willard's just walking around with a ball in his mouth.
You can put an bench over there. It's so hot.
It is. You're a sweaty horse, yeah. That is a sweaty horse right there.
Yeah. Sweaty guy too.
I'm fine. Yeah.
So how long's it been since he's been ridden?
Almost a year.
Hey, Georgia. Hi. See if you survived it. What? Wow. Hi, sweet girl. Hi.
That was so much fun.
Oh, yeah. Mamacita coming.
Yeah, it's all dry. He's so pretty.
I think lovely. Now they have eggs, I think. One egg? No? Yeah?
Nice.
Yes, Willard, you don't get any.
Yeah, no, not for Willard.
They're warm still. Feel
No.
Still warm, yeah.
Oh, they are. Things are blooming. Backyard gets greener and greener every day. Time to make some guac and listen to Juanes. I love him. Discovering the outdoors.
Ferocious. She's ferocious.
Okay, I ordered the patio furniture that it's gonna be like a sectional kind of thing that go this way, I think. We're gonna see how that works. We'll give it a try. I ordered it from Costco because they were all out of it when we went there the day after I, you know, found it. Okay. You can be safe. So the bad news is they do not have it anymore, which I thought would probably happen, and it did. So they're all sold out, and I might be able to get it online, but it'd be more expensive. So, plan B. So now we're looking at TVs, which we don't really need, but you know, gotta look if you're here. Flowers, I cannot wait to plant flowers. Anyway, so that's coming on Tuesday, I believe. And it's navy blue cushions, and then it comes with some white and navy cushions too. But I was trying to find some other like larger cushions with a different color. And I found these at Home Goods. They're just like a bright turquoise with a like a rope edging or whatever. And they're about 20 inches by 20 inches. They're big, where the ones that come with it are kind of small. So I thought I would just add another pop of color to it. And yeah, we'll see. And Gracie's going to attack every corner of our floor. That's just her job in life, apparently. I think I am going to tackle some dishes that I need to wash. And I want to thank you for joining me. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.